Welcome to the Women in AI Research podcast. I'm your host, Jekaterina, and this week I'm at NeurIPS 2025 in San Diego. It's not yet even the first day of the conference, but there are already quite a few people here everywhere. So this is registration space. People are gathering at the tables, doing something at their computers, chatting, meeting up. And it looks like the conference is about to start.
MLCommons is a nonprofit for an industry consortium, and one of the things we do that's very interesting is, another show of hands. How many of you are in graduate school or postdocs? Almost every. So, you're on the cusp of getting to make a big choice. You want to go into academia? Do you want to go into industry? Or maybe you'll be lucky enough to go into industry and be an academic at the same time. So, MLCommons sort of is at the intersection of industry and academia, right? A lot of the cutting edge things that happen in ML, you see some of them coming from academia, but then some of them come from industry, especially when you're looking at, very large scale things. So.
Hello, my name is Reyhaneh. I'm a four-year Ph.D. student in cognitive neuroscience, and it's my first time at NeurIPS. I'm really happy to be here because I'm looking for collaboration in AI field, and I'm looking to internship opportunities. I'm looking for more collaborators. I would like to collaborate with people which are close to my field, and I'm looking to see what other opportunities out there, and also whether I can find an internship too.